In today's video, I will walk you through how to get a security token in Salesforce. To begin, move to your profile section inside Salesforce. Once you are on the main Salesforce screen, locate your profile area and continue by selecting Settings. This will open the settings page where account and profile options can be managed inside Salesforce. After the settings page loads, continue reviewing the options displayed on the screen. Move through the available menu items until you locate the option called Reset My Security Token. Once you find that option, continue by selecting it to open the Security Token Reset page. After the Reset page appears, Salesforce will display the Reset Security Token button on the screen. Continue by selecting the button to begin the Security Token Reset process connected to your account. Once the button has been selected, Salesforce will begin processing the request. Wait a few moments while the system updates the security token configuration. During this process, Salesforce will prepare a verification email containing the updated security token information. After the request has been processed successfully, continue by checking the email account connected to your Salesforce profile. Review your inbox and look for the verification or confirmation email sent by Salesforce. When the email appears, open it and review the information displayed inside the message. Salesforce will confirm that the new security login token has been generated and sent successfully. Continue checking the email carefully to confirm that the updated security token information was received correctly. If the email takes a few moments to appear, wait for Salesforce to finish processing and refreshing the request before checking again. The process includes opening your profile settings, locating the Reset My Security Token option, selecting the Reset Security Token button, waiting for the request to process, and reviewing the confirmation email sent by Salesforce. During the process, some pages may take a few moments to load depending on your account and system response time. Continue waiting for each section to finish updating before moving to the next step. After the confirmation email arrives and the updated security token has been sent successfully, the process for getting a security token in Salesforce will be completed. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching.